Hi guys, welcome back. This math lesson could be used for kindergartners or first graders, younger, older. It's all about structuring number. And the purpose of structuring number is so that we can learn how to work with our smaller numbers without counting, and then eventually that will help us work with bigger numbers without having to count everything by ones. Okay, so we're going to start by doing some flashcards that have 5 frames on them. I apologize for my dog in the back. Okay. So I am going to flash quickly this 5 frame, and you are going to tell how many blue dots you see and how many empty boxes. Okay, but it always makes 5. Let's give the first one a practice. What did you see? Hopefully you said, I saw 3 blue dots and 2 empties. So take a close look. 3 blue dots and 2 missing spots. So these 3 dots and 2 empty boxes would make 5. Okay, now I'm going to go fast. You ready? 0 blue and 5 empty makes 5. 5 blue dots and 0 empties makes 5. You say it. You can also put how many dots on one hand and then how many empties on the other hand, if you want to give that a try. So I could do 2 dots, 3 empties. 2 and 3 make 5. Did you do 1 and 4? And then say it. 1 and 4 makes 5. 4 and 1 makes 5. Okay. The next set are still 5 frames, but there's going to be blue dots and red dots. So you're going to tell me the same thing, but this time it's going to be how many blue and how many red. So there's always how many dots? 5, you got it. 4 and 1 makes 5. You say it before I say it. Is that what you said? 2 and 3? One and 4. Zero blue, 5 red. 0 and 5 make 5. 3 blue, 2 red, 3 and 2 make 5. Okay, so those were our work with 5. Okay, and I'm going to stay with 5 for the beginning part of this lesson, and then we'll move to 10. Okay, so here, I have to tip this way down. Here we have our bead rack, and we're just thinking about the 5 red beads. So most of our kids are pretty familiar with the bead rack. Some people call it a reckon rack, some people call it a math rack, other people call it a bead rack. It's all the same. The kids know there are 5 red and 5 white. But we are only going to think about our 5 red beads right now. Okay? All right, so I'm going to be doing some hiding. How many red beads do you see? 3. How many red beads are hiding under here? Okay, let's see if you were right. Did you say 2 red beads? I hope so. 3 and 2 make 5. How many red beads do you see? 1. How many red beads are hiding? 4. 1 and 4 make 5. Let's take a look at that one. How many red beads do you see? 2 red beads. How many are hiding under here? Just reds. 3 reds. 2 and 3 make 5. How many do you see? 4. How many does that mean are under here? Did you say 1? 4 and 1 make 5. How many do you see? 0. How many does that mean are hiding under here? You got it. All 5 are hiding. 0 and 5 makes 5. We're going to do one more activity with 5, very similar to the bead rack, except that they're different colors, and they are counters. Okay, so these are cubes. So I have 5 cubes. Okay, 3 and 2, or 4 and 1, or 5 and 0. I'll make 5. Okay, so I'm going to bring them all away. You can't see any. Okay. I'm giving you 2. How many do I have over on the side? Let's see if you're right. Did you say I had 3? Because you know that 2 and 3 go together to make 5. Awesome. What if I give you this many? How many is there? 4. How many do I have hiding over on the side? Did you say 1? You're absolutely right. What if I give you 5? How many do I have over on the side? 0. I don't have anything. 5 and 0 make 5. Okay, one more. How many did I give you? 3. How many am I hiding over on the side? Let's see if you're right. Did you say 2? Because you know that 3 and 2 go together to make 5. You're absolutely right. Okay, we're going to leave that as just a 5 lesson for today, and then I'm going to do the same work with 10s in another lesson. Have a super day. Keep practicing up to 5. You could do practice of your fingers as well. So you could say, if I have 2, how many does my friend need to put, or my mom or my dad or my aunt or my uncle or my grandparents or whoever's at home, how many would they need to put up to make 5? And you could do like that and see if you guys can match to make 5. Okay. There's also great games you can play Go Fish to 5, or Go Fish to 4, or Go Fish to 6, where if you had a 3 card and you were playing Go Fish to 5, you would have to ask for the 2 so that your 2 cards that you get to match make 5. Or if you wanted to play Go Fish to 3, then you would take all the cards out, you would only leave in the 1, 2, and 3, and you would have to match the ones that would make 3. So you can play a lot of different games to quickly get working with numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. See ya.